My neighbor
Welcome
name.
to Olambinlina Castle.
Yeah, ito na. The main ng kaso. Nakalik ka na ba dito?
Nakapunta ako dito pero hindi ako nakapasok sa loob.
Well, this time around,
Yes.
makaka-enter ka na.
Enter the dragon. Ayun,
Yan, may 14.
Ano papasok tayo dito?
Gusto mo? Oh.
Uy, ayan. Ito yung dati. Lifestyles nila.
Okay, nandito na tayo. So,
Getting ready.
getting ready. Nag-wait lang kami ngayon ng guide.
Kasi dapat may guide. Tsaka para alam mo kung ano yung...
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Welcome back.
Patungo na tayo sa entering na ng...
Ito na yung parang pinaka-entrance mismo.
Yeah. Kailangan naman stamina. Okay ka lang dyan?
So the castle was founded in 1475.
Sa baba. Hindi allowed ang mag-ano dito ba? Pag-video ko. Ito yun.
Yes, so now we're in a tower room. We're in the ground floor of the church tower. And they continued to there, and then this happened. And this room is called Dot's Chamber because it said that this was office. You can take a seat there. So this was originally Roman Catholic. We have still some signs of Catholic origin. We have 3 altars. Main altar as the small chapel, of course, were dedicated to Saint Olaf.
Next. Oh! Creepy, day. A bit creepy. Look at the view. Oh, come on, let's go. Hurry up. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is so stiff.
Sige, tita.
We might
Una
get...
pa.
Yeah, so you can see the Rumsbro of the church tower from there. Here you can see similar one from inside.
Yeah.
Yes, here we are now on Bell Tower. This room is called the Maiden's Chamber. The name was given only when the museum was founded. It was, of course, up and was in the highest.
It's the toilet. Now we're going up. We have to be very careful with this. At last, we're in the top. This is the top.
Yes, so now we're in the highest floor. As you can see, we have this wooden staircase to the roof, but it's only for the maintenance people. Because we have this black.
Okay.
Hello.
I'm singing in the wind. Meron ngayon kinakasal ang daing mga pogi. Char! Lumantod kami.
Ay, wag.
Wag.
Hindi.
Okay.
Oo.
Oh,
Loyal ako
char.
sa mga singkit. Jungkook.
Jungkook, oh my goodness. Nandito na naman si Jungkook niya. Oh, pupunta na naman kami ngayon sa museum. Paid na yon lahat. Kaya kailangan ilubos-lubusin na. Entrance yan.